Hey guys, let's review this Tapo Smart Light Bulb. You see that's working here with my Tapo app. And I also can control from here because I'm using this Tapo Smart Remote Dimmer switch. So basically here you see that I can control the brightness. And you see the information just right here on the Tapo app as well. I can come to 100% and go down until 0%, right? 16%, right? Not 0, but I see back there that turns off. And from here, I can also just press once to turn it off and press again to turn it on, right? Basically, I programmed this button to do this: turn on, turn off, and dimmer. And I can also double tap here and change to different colors back there. So pretty simple. And from the app, I can also control, change to different colors. Let me just change here. You see that I have a selection of colors that I can just choose from here. And if I want more colors, I can just come here and start playing with this one. You see the response is pretty fast. And I can, of course, turn on and turn off from here as well. And here I can play with more stuff like themes, for example. Here I can just select the theme, Last Party, and it starts playing like this, flashing and with different colors. And I can just change here to a relaxed one. Basically I can play with this one, and I can change here as well the name, the shift style, for example, breathing or bold, and also the speed. Here I have for 2 seconds. I can just change here from 1, 2, or 3 seconds. Color cycle as well. I can just select different colors and the brightness. Then I can just save and I'm good to go. And also here I can work with the schedule. Basically when I want my light bulb turned on and off. And there's a timer and away as well. Away here is you can just select the date and time, and it's going to randomly turn on and turn off the light. Basically, you're simulating somebody at home, for example. You can select to repeat on the weekdays and just start. And here is the timer, right? So I can just come here and select the device turn off, and here hours and minutes. I can just select here the hour, let's say 0 hours and 1 minute, and just hit start and start the countdown, right? Meanwhile, let me just explain here more stuff. You see here that I have millions of colors, and it comes from 2500 to 6500 kelvins. That's the color temperature. And also here it's equivalent to 60 watts in 800 lumens. And also you can see here the cost per year, $1.06 per year, and works with Alexa as well, right? And super simple to work. Again, here is programmable. You can just buy this device and start working with smart actions. Then you can select if you double tap, what happens with the light bulb. You want to tap once, or when you just rotate here, which is the dimmer, right? You see the timer right now is coming to 0. And after it reaches 0, it takes a while to turn it off. You see, just 1 second, extra 1 second, and turns off. So basically working here. And here see information about the energy usage. You see here the runtime, less than 1 hour today, energy usage, and also energy saving. You can see here for today, for the past 7 days, and past 30 days. Okay. You can also use this night sleep. Basically, you can turn off the lights, and you can also turn off other devices that I have available here in the network. You see here, I have a lot of Tapo devices. I can use a Tapo plug to turn on and turn off some different things that I have available here, or even other lights, right? Super simple to use and set up. And you can also share your device with people. And here have some information about the user menu and everything else. So super simple to use. And here see that I have just right here with my other devices. So basically I can mix with the devices and start working the way I want to, right? Super simple. Basically, that's a quick review of this Tapo Smart Light Bulb. This is the L531E. And I hope you like this video. I'll leave the link here in the description. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next one.